We look out to the debate hall of Ganden from Pukang Kangzen.
Take a picture of this land with a tree.
This is a piece of land which Rinpoche has leased from Ganden to build a guest house, so that future pilgrims from Kachara can come and take retreats, pray, or simply bask in the serenity that is Ganden. Rinpoche's dream is to make Ganden accessible to us. Let us do our best to make his dream come true. We walked past the monks' dormitories that Tsem Rinpoche raised funds to build in 1992. At the debate hall, where Kachara House sponsored the marble flooring, Tsem Rinpoche looks at the altar.
Guess what they gave me or us, which is wonderful. They gave Buddha Shakyamuni Tanka as a gift, because we sponsored the floor, and 8 volumes of the written works of His Holiness Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche. So these are Trijang Rinpoche's own writings, his biographies, and different subjects, written by His Holiness Trijang Rinpoche himself.
Next, we visited Geshe Namgyal Wangchen Lak, who is the current tutor of His Holiness Kyabje Ling Rinpoche. Geshe Wangchen stays at Gaden Monastery, a sister monastery of Ganden, which is a 5-minute drive away. As Tsem Rinpoche makes his prostrations, Geshe Wangchen stands up and bows his head to receive them, showing his humility and respect for Rinpoche. Tsem Rinpoche offers several gifts, including vitamins and medications to Geshe-la, especially because his health is not good, although you wouldn't think it when you see his warm and smiling face. Rinpoche shares pictures of Kachara in Malaysia, which makes Geshe-la very happy. It was dark by the time we reached the abbot's audience room. Rinpoche makes his prostrations to the abbot of Ganden Shatse, Ken Rinpoche, who looks on smilingly. He was very kind to receive us at this late hour and accept our offerings, blessing us with katas in return. Next, Rinpoche makes offerings to the great master, Geshe Yeshe Gyaltsen Lak from Gaden Monastery, who is highly respected for his clear morality, extensive knowledge of Sutra and Tantra, and a renowned divination master who predicts the future accurately. Again, showing utmost humility, Geshe Yeshe invites Tsem Rinpoche to sit on the throne out of respect for Rinpoche's rank as a High Lama. Several monks from Ganden Jangze come to present body, speech and mind offerings to Tsem Rinpoche. Geshe Yeshe also presents body, speech and mind to Rinpoche. Geshe Yeshe presents a kata and gifts to Tsem Rinpoche with gentle humility.
Have a seat. It's not from a perfume or wash. It's a smell. It's called holding your bowels very well. So we used to call it the Geshe of Vinaya or Geshe of.
We had a wonderful surprise at the end of the day. The monks offered a Manjushri statue back to each and every one of the pilgrims. It was an incredible way to end a day of meeting and receiving blessings from these living treasures of Tibet. It had been a long, amazing day, and we will never forget what a precious, priceless, and privileged day today has been for the rest of our lives. We all came home inspired and excited to help the main Gaden Monastery in India, as well as our affiliate of Gaden in Malaysia, Kachara House. Kachara House has various activities for its growing members. There are regular prayer sessions every Tuesday and Thursday evening of Tsongkhapa's prayer, which is also known as the Miksima. Every Sunday afternoon, there is an Introduction to Buddhism class at 2 o'clock, which is led by senior students on basic topics such as the Eightfold Path, the Four Noble Truths, Karma, etc. After this class, there is another session called Manjushri class. This is a more advanced class where students can discuss and study the beliefs and practices of Buddhism. Under the Kachara group, there is a small but very busy department called Kachara Media and Publications, also known as KMP. KMP was set up by a group of Tsem Rinpoche students to publish Rinpoche's teachings in order to benefit those who were not able to attend the precious teachings. KMP now has a large selection of books and DVDs available to the public. Funds from sales are plowed back into the department for future publications, as the department strives to be self-sustaining. However, KMP also welcomes anyone who would like to sponsor or contribute towards the publications, as it would be of great benefit to the donors. Kachara also has Dharma stores in various parts of Kuala Lumpur. These stores are strictly not-for-profit, as all proceeds are channeled back into getting more products for the stores, and also a percentage is sent back to Gaden in India. The statues are personally handpicked by Tsem Rinpoche and his senior students, to allow practitioners to have access to beautiful statues which have the correct iconography. These stores are not conventional stores, as their purpose is to act as Dharma temples in busy shopping areas, to plant imprints and blessings on passers-by. Kachara House is very fortunate to have a resident Lama who comes from the illustrious lineage of Gaden. As his teachings become more and more popular, the number of people who attend his teachings has grown. Kachara is now growing, and we are in the process of building a new temple. Tsem Rinpoche's long-term vision is to have a retreat center called the Tsongkhapa Retreat Center, where everyone is welcome to seek to learn or to find inner peace. One of Gaden Shatse's current projects is to build a hospital for the monks and the surrounding area. This is an uphill task, and there is an urgent need for assistance in this project. Kachara members are now working very hard to raise funds and contribute skills towards realizing all these plans and visions. We welcome you to join us in the joy of knowing that we too can make a difference. May all conducive conditions arise and all obstacles be pacified, in order to increase infinitely the doctrine of the spiritual king Tsongkhapa. By the merits of the 3 times of myself and others, may the doctrine of Lama Tsongkhapa blaze forever.
Jawa Lozan Java, Yamba Yurin,